Hello, Dr. Inge here. Today I want to talk about your liver health. The liver is the largest organ in your body and it plays a vital role in your overall health. Many people think liver problems only develop in alcoholics, but the incidence of liver problems like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is rising rapidly, particularly among younger people. This is really scary. Alarmingly, about up to 30% of the population in North America and Europe are affected by a fatty liver. And it's important not to neglect your liver health, because it performs many important functions in the body. Over 500 is what they have found until now, and they probably will find more with continued research. So some of the primary functions of the liver is to cleanse the body and remove toxins. And that creates energy. So the detoxification process helps your body rid itself from harmful substances like excess hormones, harmful food additives, and environmental pollutants. Behind that simple explanation, however, lies a complex network of processes that include producing gamma globulin, which is essential for immunity, manufacturing hormones. It creates the proteins necessary for blood clotting. It produces cholesterol and bile. It regulates the blood sugar. It metabolizes carbohydrates, fat, and protein, so it can create energy. It stores vitamins and minerals and releases them as needed. It filters toxins, and it breaks down waste products and delivers them back to the digestive system for elimination. And it kind of packs it up so it can be pooped out. So you can see the liver has a lot of things to do. With so many functions in the wheelhouse, it's not surprising that liver problems can have a deep impact on your health. One of the most common is what I said before, NAFLD, which is the non-fatty liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which builds up in your liver. If that is left untreated, it can develop cirrhosis in the liver and even liver cancer. So, what are the warning signs of a sluggish liver? One of the most common and debilitating symptoms of liver problems is overwhelming unexplained fatigue. It doesn't matter how much you sleep, you're always tired, day and night. So that's kind of an obvious symptom. And you can have pain in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen. That's another symptom, because that's where the liver lives. Other possible symptoms can include swelling in the stomach and the legs. Who thinks about that? Mysterious rashes. I think that even what they call adult onset acne could have to do with the liver. Jaundice or yellowing of the skin and eyes, muscle aches, mood swings. We can see, for example, the emotion of the liver is anger, so it can be a lot of anger outbursts. When you look at alcoholics, they are most of the times, no, not when they drink, then they're fine when they're out with friends, but they very easily get angry. Headaches and fuzzy thinking. And then, of course, we have hormonal imbalances that lead to problems like severe PMS and low libido. We see that a lot in Chinese medicine. And the PMS is really very easy to fix with acupuncture. But of course, it affects the liver, it helps the liver, and then you have to do your own treatment of your liver to, you can, for example, one thing is to drink dandelion tea or have dandelion salad. You can also chew on a leaf of, what is that called again, arugula, the salad. You can just chew on it and get the juice from the arugula. That will help the liver. So that was it for today. If you want to read more, you can go to the blog and read the rest of the article. Bye bye for now.